Hi, this is Saurav, and today I'll be taking through my process of redesigning UI sound effects for Doom Eternal and Animals Crossing, using only the sounds from my voice as source audio. First, I recorded various mouth sounds such as pops, clicks, smacks, and noises on my phone, and then I denoised it using RX8. Once I had a few sounds that I liked, I separated them in my favorites bin. For Doom Eternal, I was aiming for more of a metallic texture, which I was able to get using pitch, ring, and format shifting. I bussed all the sounds together into Logic's built in reverb to give it a pseudo hall ambience and make it sound cohesive. For Animals Crossing, I used the same source audio, but this time I was aiming for a toyish character. I used quite a bit of format shifting and phasing to manipulate the source audio into my liking. Additionally, I used Logic's sampler to sample a snippet of my mouth noise to make it playable instrument, which I then used for various melodic chimes.